And welcome viewers, and today we've got ourselves a 1965 Ford Mustang fastback.
Pretty cool car, Chris. Black with the contrasting white stripe.
It's got that proper muscle car look to it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So this thing came in for a little bit of a basic rust repair, and all of a sudden, as per usual with some of these Mustangs, it was covered in rust.
Yeah, we found quite a bit of rust in the rear area behind the doors, so we've put new rear quarter sections in. It's been back to bare metal, all the rust has been properly cut out. Being black, you've got to get the thing mirrored straight, because otherwise it just looks terrible, so the car's come up super smooth.
Pretty typical, you know, these classic cars, everyone gets underneath the dash and in the engine bays, and then all of a sudden after a few years you've got yourself a pretty awesome bird nest of Kawais.
Yeah, so this car's had a full rewire front to back, a few other mod cons, and then we fitted a Holly Sniper as part of the electrical and the car upgrade. As far as we know, the engine's the original engine.
Yeah, and these little 289s, they're pretty good. So this thing's got a 289, maybe a T400 or a T350?
Yeah, I think this is a C4 one.
Oh, let's edit that out.
You just trying to test me.
Yeah, that's what I was doing, testing you. So we got a C4.
Yeah, it's got a C4 and a factory 9-inch.
Power steering, aircon.
Yeah, it's got a nice set of aftermarket wheels and some big tyres. And the car just looks super slick. It's got a nice fence from the outside.
It does, eh? It looks great. Yeah.
So part of the upgrade, Chris, we put new tyres on it. We had it wheel lined, checked all the suspension and steering components to see if anything needed replacing. It's got new carpet. We've done an alternator replacement. We fixed the blower motor, swapped out the battery, sorted out some lighting and some bulb holders. Fitted some windscreen options because it didn't have any. And then really just made sure that all the electrics works. And then the customer's pretty close to taking this one back.
Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching today. We hope that you enjoyed the episode. If you need any parts or any work on your car, give us a quick call or check out the website. We'll see you next week.
Thanks, Chris. Cheers.